Hey guys, what's up? Fishing Flips here. Today we're going fishing and we just got to our fishing destination.
I just got braces.
Yep. First cast.
First cast. He's using a Kai tack by the. Oh, he just got a hit. And nothing the first cast. Got one. Got one. Oh,
It's a little guy.
well, at least you have your lure. This is what we're using, Kai tack swim bait.
It's the first fish.
And there's that. We've got another one. It looks like a decent one. Ooh, that's a nice one.
A little better.
Probably about a 14-incher.
Yeah.
Nice largemouth. And while you guys are at it, go subscribe to Jacob Tunovitz. We got one again.
Very small guy.
Oh my gosh, it's huge! Look at the size of that. About a 30-incher. Into the little stream.
He has a little guy. Keep it. Jacob's first fish. Nice.
Yay!
Got to our other spot and just caught a black crappie. Beautiful fish. Didn't have too much luck today, guys. My baby doggy. Thank you, say hi. She keeps sneezing, but caught a few fish, but not the best day. So maybe see you next time on Fishing Flips, guys. Friend's already gone. See ya.